The granulation production line consists of the following equipment: batching system, adjusts the content of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, humic acid, and organic matter according to the needs of different crops. Double shaft paddles mixer thoroughly mixes the prepared formula elements. Granulator uses centrifugal granulation technology to agglomerate powdered fertilizers into granules. Commonly used equipment includes rotary drum granulator, suitable for large-scale continuous production, high automation, and double roller granulator, high granule strength, low power consumption. Dryer dries the granulated particles for easy storage. Cooler rapidly cools the granules for easy bagging. Screening machine classifies the fertilizer granules. Qualified granules proceed to the next stage, while unqualified granules are returned for re-granulation. Fertilizer Granule Coating Machine applies an anti-caking agent to the surface of the finished granules to prevent sticking. Also improves the appearance of the product. Finished Granules Packaging Machine bags and seals the granules according to the set weight per bag. If you are planning to expand production capacity and increase product value, a granulation production line is undoubtedly the best choice. Contact me, and I can customize a dedicated configuration plan based on your raw materials and target production capacity, allowing you to quickly start production. We will help you choose suitable fertilizer production equipment to improve production efficiency and provide high-quality fertilizers for agriculture.